What is the Hindi meaning of wild conversation?
The Hindi of wild conversation is bato bato में बातचीत.
What is the spelling of wild conversation?
Spelling of wild conversation WHILE while CONVERSATION.
Where do you apply please?
For request.
Where do you apply sorry?
For mistake.
Where do you apply means it means you don't say where do you apply. ये आप apply कहाँ करेंगे? कब बोलेंगी? Okay,
Yeah,
then please speak. Okay, please sorry, thank you. Okay,
What
and you
is-
can also give to her
Okay.
chance.
Yeah.
Okay, that you were speaking quick and she is replying quick. So please.
What is the Hindi meaning of that's all thank you?
The Hindi that's all. Thank you. आप सभी का धन्यवाद.
What is the spelling of wild conversation?
The spelling of wild conversation WHILE while CONVERSATION.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is MD Saban Ali.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Chandani Khatun.
What is your sister name?
I have no sister.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers.
How many brother and sister do you have? Do you have brother?
Yeah.
Then sisters?
She have no sister.
Then she has no sister. Then you can say that I have two brothers and no sister. Okay, sir. Okay, sister. She is your sister. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. You stand here. Okay, please. You will not be able to go, please. From there, who will come? Yes. Please come. Soloni will come. Okay, you stand here. She is new student. Okay, so you can use some Hindi sentences, some Hindi words also for her. Okay, and you don't fear. You stand there proper. Okay.
Hi sister.
Hi, sister.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what you will do?
So good. May I ask some question to you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, what is the spelling of wild conversation?
The meaning of
Speak loud.
the meaning of wild conversation. WHILE some wild conversation.
What is the spelling of please?
The spelling of please PLEACE please.
Okay. What is the Hindi meaning of sorry?
The Hindi meaning is sorry. Yes, ORRY sorry.
I ask what is the Hindi meaning of sorry?
The
The Hindi meaning of
The Hindi meaning of sorry is means क्षमा कीजिए.
Okay, very good. She is not able to speak. Please, very good. Please go take your seat. And बाबूलाल सर हम लोग से जुड़े हुए हैं. बाबूलाल सर का मोस्ट वेलकम है. मैथ के बहुत अच्छे टीचर हैं और कसिया के भाई टॉप क्लास के मैथमेटिक्स के टीचर हैं. सर आप हमसे जुड़े हैं, ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत ही थैंकफुल चीज़ है. थैंक यू सो मच. और यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं मिस्टर साहेब हुसैन का ये कह रहा है कि जय और दिलसाद प्लीज़ कम एंड बोथ विल टॉक. प्लीज़ गो टेक योर सीट. एंड साहेब हुसैन चाहते हैं कि मिस्टर बोथ विल टॉक टू ईच अदर. मिस्टर जय एंड दिलसाद प्लीज़ यू विल कम बोथ. ओके. And you will speak from self questions and it will say any question you can ask. Okay.
Hello. Do you want to converse and talk with you? Hi, bro.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. By the way, what are you doing nowadays?
I am learning English speaking.
From where are you going? From where are you coming?
I am coming from Bright Call.
Now where are you going?
I am going to home.
Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of some cursive words?
The means of course you word कुछ शिष्टाचार के शब्द.
And where do you live?
I live at Nogama. And you?
I live at Tirupati. I live at Tirupati.
Okay.
And,
And how many siblings you have?
I have 2 siblings. I have 4 siblings.
Okay.
And what is the name of your school?
My school name is Children Public Intermediate College and it is situated Chhaung.
Some names about your school.
My school name is Children Public School and it is situated Chhaung, and the director of my school, Mr. Dharmen Srivastava, and the principal of my school is Vijay Srivastava. And there are many teachers in my school, but I like Rajesh sir.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor. And you?
I want to become an IAS officer.
Okay, can you speak something about your IAS officer?
Yeah, IAS officer. I want to become an IAS officer